Roasting chicken pieces with potatoes and tomatoes in one dish, mixed together with oregano, garlic, and capers, is not only easy, it is a foolproof way to create a delicious meal. I was first introduced to this dish by a chef from the Basilicata region of southern Italy, and it was the first time I had ever seen potatoes roasted together with tomatoes. For some reason, the combination struck me as odd, but why would one question an Italian chef? Of course, it was absolutely delicious. Very little preparation is involved with this dish. Firstly, you season the chicken pieces with some salt and pepper. The potatoes are cut into large chunks and combined with the chopped plum tomatoes, onion, garlic, capers, parsley, and oregano leaves. Add a little bit of chili flakes in there for some zip, and we are set. Then, of course, olive oil is really important for this dish, so a nice fruity olive oil is good. Drizzle it over the vegetables and toss them gently. Now we're going to add the chicken pieces to the dish and gently combine so that everything has those wonderful flavors and the seasoning is evenly distributed. This recipe is baked at a fairly high temperature of 450 degrees. And today I'm using my gas oven to bake this dish. Gas is actually an amazing medium for roasting and for baking breads and pizza, because gas is basically heated moving air, so it creates a natural convection. And it's far less drying than the conventional top and bottom heat mode in an electric oven. If I were using my electric oven, I would definitely be using the convection mode to cook this dish to ensure the chicken and the potatoes especially stay nice and tender and juicy. Once this dish goes into the oven, I'll set the timer for 25 minutes, then turn the chicken so it browns evenly. The total cooking time will be approximately 50 minutes. Roasting chicken with vegetables will ensure great flavor, but prior to serving you can also add a handful of chopped fresh basil and a little bit more fresh oregano and parsley, another sprinkle of sea salt and some freshly cracked pepper, and it will be bursting with flavor. Served with a nice crusty bread and salad, what a wonderful meal. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.